Hello there, kids! Our topic today is on the concept of print. Now, at the end of today's lesson, you should be able to recognize the organization and structure of various text features such as headings, keywords, graphics, sidebars, etc. And also, you should be able to find information from text features. Now, text features of a book or a magazine are the components of a passage that are not in the main body of text. Examples include the title, table of contents, headings or subheadings, keywords, graphics, sidebar, bold print, italics, index, and glossary. Now let's learn what each of these features mean and how to recognize each of them within a text. Number 1. The title. This is the name of a text located on the front cover or at the beginning of a chapter, and sometimes it indicates the topic and or main idea of the entire text. Number 2. The table of contents. This helps the reader quickly find a topic. It's usually located at the beginning of the text and lists key topics in the book. Number 3 is the heading or subheading. It's a secondary heading that divides a section of text. Sometimes it is differentiated from the title by font color or size, and it indicates the main idea of a section of text. Number 4 are keywords. Now these are words or phrases which describe content. Number 5, we have graphics. They include both photographs and illustrations. They help the reader to visualize what is described in the text. Number 6, we have the sidebar. It is an additional text which is not included in the main body of text within a text box, often with a shaded background, and it is usually located at the sides, the top or the bottom of a page. Number 7, we have bold prints. Now these are words written in a dark and thick print within the main body of text. They signal important vocabulary, words or phrases that are key to understanding the text clearly. Number 8. Italics. Fonts slanted to the right within the main body of a text. It indicates proper nouns or words readers should emphasize when reading. Number 9. The index. A book index is simply where to locate information contained in a book. It is mostly found at the end of the book. The words of the index are arranged alphabetically. And finally, we have the glossary. Now, a glossary is a list at the back of a book explaining or defining difficult or unusual words and expressions used in the text. Now, take a look at this example. Can you identify 2 text features present in the book? That is correct. There is a bold print and graphics amongst others. So we have now come to the end of today's lesson. Today, we learned that text features are components of a story or readable article that are not the main text, but help the reader to understand the main text clearly. Examples of these are headings or subheadings, sidebar, italics, bold prints, table of contents, graphics, etc.